Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will rig our character. There is a website with the name of Mixamo.com, which is a Adobe website, and which we can use for rigging our characters in online without any problem. So here you can see that we can click on upload character and we can upload the file. You can see OBJ, FPX or zip file we can import, and in this case we have exported our file under the folder characters, and this one character 01, and you can see the texture, lot of textures are here as well. So this one is character 01.obj. so we'll just drag drop it here for the Mixamo, and now you will see that our character will be here. So let's see the rigging process. Okay, let's wait for some seconds, and now you can see we have a nice character. So we have to orient it, so we can click on next, and here you can see that it shows us that we should place our objects, these circles, at the right position. So here is the chin, so we'll just drag drop this chin over here. Then we have these wrist, so the right wrist, okay. Then we have this, so let's place the elbow at the right position. Then we have the knee, and then we have, I think, a little bit up maybe, and then we have the crown, place it here, and now we can click on next. So it will start rigging the character, and the character will be automatically rigged, hopefully. Okay, so now you can see that our character is rigged, and that's great. You can click on next and next, and now our character will be available here. We can directly download this character, or if you want to add any animation, you can add it as well. So I will add some animation. So let's select this one. Okay, so yeah, old man idol. Okay, let's add this one and download, and then we'll just select FPX for Unity with scan and download. So now our character will be downloaded, and in next video you'll see that how we'll set up it in Unity 3D.